What is up today, guys? Name's Dario and I drive a slammed SRT. I am new to the YouTube world, so just trying to get a hold of things. Wanted to provide some information because I've been researching all over the internet and apparently no one has videos of a 6.1 liter Hemi with a good video of a long tube Corsa header, or just in general a long tube header setup. So I figured I'd be kind of providing some information for the market, because we have no information to go off of. So I bought a decibel reader and a other thing that I'm about to show you right now. So let me get the lights on here. It's starting to get dark. Okay. All right, let's put the camera. So from Amazon, I got the decibel reader. So we're going to use that to measure the loudness of my car. And also a design engineering exhaust rat kit. So this will help with the heat and also keep my long tubes in good condition. I haven't gotten the long tubes in the mail yet, but that's something I'm waiting on. They will be installed pretty much right away when I get them. So that being said, let's measure this bad boy. I'll kind of do a quick look about it. She's a little dusty, but been garage kept for a little bit. It's got some yellow Brembos back on. Anywho, so power this bad boy up and go from there. So I gotta roll this little thing out of here so it doesn't resonate off the back and cause this thing to go astronomically high that it's not supposed to be. So I guess we can put this bad boy into neutral. Okay. This car is completely cold right now, so it's perfect to test. And I gotta push. All right, let's try this. Turn the wheel. Okay. Almost there. All right, we're going. Okay. All right. Let's grab the decibel reader. So this will be a cold start. It's about an 88-degree day today, so it's not going to be that super loud. But this car itself does have no mufflers or resonators. Currently the only thing that's on the car is a catalytic converter. So start her up. So it looks like about 105 decibels without the long tubes. This is currently the stock system. It's not terrible. All right. A little under the weather, unfortunately. Let's test out my Ram. This has a full muffler lead, and this has the Hemi in it. So let's see. So let me turn this thing off. All right, so there you have it. My Ram is actually louder than my SRT, but that'll change very soon. So when I get the long tubes in, I'll video unboxing them, and the installation of this kit comes with zip ties, the coating, and then a wrap itself. I'm praying that this reduces the heat of this car, because this car can get up to 220 degrees in the hottest day possible. which is pretty hot. I mean, Hemis run hot in general, but hopefully that'll fix that. So this says reduced engine temps up to 50%. So we'll compare. I know my current readings. We'll see how much this pulls away. So in the meantime, stay tuned, boys and girls, and I will provide some more feedback and the installation of it too as well. So talk to everybody soon. Peace out.